Hi everybody, welcome to another Tip Tuesday. We are here kind of live from NCSL International, Cleveland, Ohio, and we're having a great time here, but I wanted to show you some of the new cool things that we're talking about in 12.1 and beyond for IndySoft. Very special guest, our CTO, Rhett Price.
Hey everybody, my name is Rhett Price, the CTO of IndySoft. We've got some really exciting things going on at the show. Let's going to talk briefly about a couple of really cool hardware options that we have to sell with the software. We have basically two types of RFID that we'll be selling, active and passive, which you've probably seen around the Internet of Things and that sort of thing. We've got some really cutting edge technology. So we're going to be talking about a few different options for RFID, for tracking your tools, your equipment, your standards. We've got a lot of different options to cover almost any need. The first we'll talk about is an active RFID, and you'll see here one of our devices with IndySoft on it. This is an active tag that can be placed on a standard, any sort of type of tool, and it can be tracked for up to 2 years. You get about 50 to 100 meters distance of knowing where the asset is at all times. And so using our IndySoft client, it will work with these types of beacons to tell exactly where your equipment is anywhere in the world, anywhere in your lab, your crib, your bin, that sort of thing. So the first scenario we'll talk about is, say you're a commercial lab and you've got maybe technicians on the road. You want to track your standards. You want to know where they are at all times, where your technicians are. So that's where we have this beacon here. And this beacon is a cellular-based beacon that you'll put in your truck, and they will be used to basically, through our software, display exactly where your employee is. It can be on Google Maps. Basically, you'll see all your techs and all the standards or whatever they have with them that will be tagged on these devices. So that's a great scenario for your mobile techs, and be able to schedule your equipment, know where it is. You can also set boundaries, so if a piece of equipment somehow disappears, you know it. Someone is warned, you can be immediately emailed, that type of thing. It's found to be true. So next, say you're inside a Cal lab and you want to know where it is inside your facility. You'll see here, for example, I've got a map in our IndySoft client that I've mapped out here. And you can simply put beacons, LEDs, in certain rooms, and as your equipment flows in and out of these rooms, it's going to move the equipment throughout your workflow. So it's a pretty cool way to do indoor mapping, whereas before we're talking about like a Google Map type concept. So that is our active RFID beacon. There's other sizes of these. They're smaller tags also. We like these because they last for a good long while. They do have replaceable batteries, so if they do run out, then you can put that in. Next we have what we call passive RFID tags. If you've seen these, they're simply, there's no battery required for these. Here's a little bit larger one, very small. You'll see things like this size, even smaller than this. And this is for tracking your tooling, your smaller type equipment, equipment where you don't want to have to replace the battery. This will last pretty much forever. You can actually read and write to these tags, so you can write your, say you're calibrating equipment, and maybe you're putting a barcode on it, but you also want an RFID tag. This RFID tag can contain the name, the ID of the equipment, the type of equipment it is, the cal due date. So before using, you can easily tell if the actual calibrating tool should be used. So this is also a feature that we have. This is our RFID gun. Really? So we're looking for ways to very efficiently locate equipment without having to necessarily wire up RFID around your entire plant. So to do that, we have our IndySoft app. And it works with this zebra gun that we sell. And so say you want to put a bunch of your equipment or tags on your equipment, and then you go out to a particular work cell. In our software, you say, I'm in this crib or this area, and you simply hit the gun and just simply wand, and it will tell you all the equipment that it found, It will tell you if any is out of place.
Really?
If they are out of place, then it will allow you to update your IndySoft client database with the new information. So now when your Cal-Do reports run, you'll be able to quickly and efficiently find your tools and they're not somewhere else. So this is a really cool option for the passenger. And then last we have what's called our Expand device here. And so we've got a lot of customers who maybe check things in and out of the crib where someone's actually using the computer to do that. Or maybe they're walking through some sort of doorway or entryway. This device can be mounted above or to the side. You can also be freestanding like it is now. And by simply say you got a tool here and a badge, you can walk past it.
That's where
and this actually indicates direction. So I can walk past this. It will indicate that I'm taking this piece of equipment, and it knows my employee badge, and will issue a checkout in the software.
Yeah. I'm with IndySoft
So,
right now.
yeah, it's pretty cool stuff,
You want to get
and we're real excited about it. And if you have any questions, please be sure to contact our sales. Thanks.
Okay. All right. Well.